How vast is the universe? How insignificantly small are humans? This is a real photograph of Earth taken from the International Space Station, 350 kilometers away. This is a real photograph of Earth taken by the Apollo 8 spacecraft from a distance of 380,000 kilometers on the Moon in 1968. This is a real photograph of Earth taken by the Mars rover Curiosity from a distance of 160 million kilometers on Mars in 2014. This is a real photograph of Earth taken by the Cassini spacecraft from a distance of 1.4 billion kilometers in orbit around Saturn in 2013. When we zoom in on this photo, we can even see another small bright dot, which is the Moon. This is our solar system, with a diameter of about 2 light-years, containing a total of 8 planets. The farthest man-made probe, Voyager 1, has not yet left this region. This is the Milky Way galaxy, where it takes light 100,000 years to travel from one end to the other, and our solar system is located in the outskirts of this inconspicuous position. Even though the Milky Way is so vast, compared to other galaxies in the universe, it is like dust. For example, the nearest Andromeda galaxy is about 2.54 million light-years away from the Milky Way, but its width is twice that of the Milky Way, with a diameter reaching 220,000 light-years. But do you think it ends there? Above the Andromeda galaxy, there are even larger galaxy clusters, encompassing more than 50 galaxies and forming a substantial group. The entire area covered by the galaxies in this galaxy cluster can even reach 10 million light-years in diameter. Of course, this galaxy cluster is just a dust-like existence in front of the Virgo supercluster, with a diameter of about 110 million light-years, containing about 100 galaxy groups and galaxy clusters. But ironically, it is just one of millions of superclusters observable in the universe. Above the Virgo supercluster is the even larger Laniakea structure, which includes about 100,000 galaxies and has a diameter of up to 520 million light-years. Our Milky Way galaxy is located on one of the threads of this cosmic web, and it is one of the largest structures in the universe, with the boundary range being difficult to determine. Above the Laniakea supercluster is the limit of human science and the entire observable universe. Beyond the observable universe, it is unknown whether there are even larger structures, whether there is another different universe that we humans cannot imagine. As Carl Sagan said, the number of planets in the universe is like grains of sand, and even the Milky Way is as tiny as dust within it, hardly worth mentioning. This is the truth of the universe and the destiny of human civilization. If you can see this, it means you also have a deep interest in the universe, so please remember what I'm about to say next. Most people do not live their lives well because their thinking is too limited. If you can think about the value and meaning of life from a higher dimension, you will get a completely different answer. In just a few decades, we all come to an end, whether we are emperors or generals. In the end, we are all just a handful of sand. The value of life lies in the spiritual dimension, not in material possessions and money. No matter what you are going through now, whether it is suffering or happiness, please remember that precious spiritual strength is the foundation of your entire life. People must live for themselves.